In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Google Forms to n8n. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your n8n account. Log in using your credentials, and then on the top corner, once you are logged in, I want you to click the section that says Start from scratch or try an AI workflow, because we need to create our first workflow. Okay, so if you click the second option, which is starting from scratch, there is an option here to add a first step. Now, on the search node, just type in Google Forms. If you can't find it, click the webhook node, because this will forward you to a new page. I want you to copy the webhook URL and then go to the Google Forms. Now here, provide your first untitled question. Now here in Google Forms, provide your untitled question and also provide the name, and then go to the responses. Click the link to Sheets, and then you need to create a new spreadsheet. Okay? Just wait for it, and then once you've done that, go to the n8n platform. Now here, I want you to search for Google Sheets. Click on it, then click the Create Spreadsheet. It will give you options, and of course, what we need to do is to select the document. Operation is to create, and the title is going to be this. You need to select the credential, and I want you to click the Create New Credential. This will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Once the account has been connected, go ahead and execute the step. And basically, that's how you connect Google Forms to n8n. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.